Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the 1040EZ instructions, and I'm going to show you guys how to file the 1040EZ and what the requirements are to file the form. So let me get the video going here. So first, to qualify to file the 1040EZ, you have to be reporting either single or married filing jointly. You can't be reporting married filing separate. So these are the only two statuses you can have to file the 1040EZ. Your taxable income must be less than $100,000. Now this isn't your total gross income. This is the amount of your income that's considered taxable. So you could be making $140,000, but your taxable income is below $100,000. Then you're going to qualify to file the 1040EZ. Now this is your total income if you're married between you and your spouse. So the total income. Now you can't be blind at the end of the year and not 65 or older by December 31st for that particular tax year. You're going to get a lot more deductions with the regular 1040, so I'm just going to let you guys know that if you qualify for the 1040EZ, you still want to look at the regular 1040. Now on the 1040EZ instructions, what I want to do is go through each line real quick with you guys, and then I'm going to go to the form and we'll see these lines. So line 1 is going to be your wages, salaries, and tips. It's going to be a total of all these put together. So if you're receiving tips, say as a waiter or a waitress, this is going to go into that line. Line 2, taxable interest, you'll get a statement from that bank or the institution that provided you with the taxable interest. They'll give you a statement with the total. You're going to total up all your interest that you earn from the different places and put it into line 2. Line 3 is going to be unemployment compensation, okay, from your particular state that you're getting paid on unemployment. That is taxable, so you have the option to have tax withheld on the unemployment, so see if you had tax withheld. Line 4 is going to be the total adjusted gross income. That's going to be the total of these three lines, your income. Line 5 is where you check a box on this, and you check the box if someone else can claim you as a dependent. So that's something you want to be careful of. Line 6 is the total taxable income. Now this is where the $100,000 rule we talked about comes into play. If you're at $100,000 or more, you're disqualified from filing the 1040EZ. At our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, you can do a quick online estimate to see what your taxable income might be and to see if you qualify to file the 1040EZ. We're going to do at the end of the slide, we're going to do a walkthrough of the 1040EZ, and I'll show you those lines that I just talked about. The 1040 versus the 1040EZ, I always try to go with the 1040 just because you're going to get more deductions, but if you don't have a lot of investments, you're a lower income, not many deductions or credits you can qualify for, then the 1040EZ might be better for you. The key points to remember when filing your tax return: underpaying tax can result in some pretty substantial penalties and interest, so whatever you're doing out there, make sure if you're having very little tax withheld from your paycheck, sometimes that's not good because the underpayment of tax can be some severe penalties. So it's always better to overpay a little bit and get some kind of refund just so you don't get those penalties. You can always file an extension. You can file these electronically. You can do them through our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com. And with an extension, you have until October 15th of that year to file your tax return. So definitely something you want to consider if you missed the due date of April 15th. Any tax though that is owed, no matter what, is due April 15th. So when you file that extension, you have to, if you think you're going to owe tax, you have to do a quick estimate, which you can do on our site. When you send that extension in, say you send the extension in April 15th, you still got to put a payment with that extension. The actual tax form you'll get until October 15th, but the tax due is always due by April 15th. So let's go to the site real quick. And here's the 1040 EZ, okay? I just want to show you guys exactly where you're going to put some of the withholding amounts and your credits. So when you get your W-2, it's going to go on line 7 here. This is going to be the tax withheld on that W-2. This is where you want to be careful you have enough tax withheld so you're not underpaying tax. The earned income credit, 9A. Most of you this won't be applicable. Then 9B, I do cover that in some of my other videos, so you may want to look at those. These will be your total payments and credits put together, so your tax withheld and any credits you qualify for. For other credits like the child tax credit, you'll have to file the the regular 1040. You can't get it with the 1040 EZ. And down here is where your refund amount's going to go in here. Your bank information, your routing, your account number, if it's a checking or savings. Be very careful on this because you obviously don't want it to go to the wrong bank account. And that's it. 1040 EZ is a very simple form. I do recommend the regular 1040 if you do have the time and you do have some more deductions out there you think you can qualify for. I would go with the 1040. Okay. Here's our site, harborfinancialonline.com. You can do a quick online estimate to see if you qualify for the 1040 EZ here, to see if your total income, your taxable income is over the $100,000. That's going to tell you right away what you qualify for. And we have other credits and deductions here on the left. If you qualify for some of these credits, you're going to want to see if you can use those credits on the 1040 EZ. If not, you're going to want to go with the regular 1040 because the 1040 allows you to take all the credits and deductions that are out there. So let's get back to the video. So that's it on this video of the 1040 EZ instructions. I do have other videos out there, so I recommend taking the time to look at those on YouTube. Try out our free online tax estimators. It's a great tool that we have, and you can prepare your taxes throughout the year if you're filing late, if you're filing extension, at harborfinancialonline.com. Thank you.